In this video, I'll show you how to create a 2.5-meter kitchen setup with a dishwasher using the free cabinet maker and Fitin plugins, which you can both download from the links in the description below. First, let's see how easy it is to create a kitchen layout with Cabinet Maker. Open the Tools menu and select Cabinet Maker. Once the Cabinet Maker window opens, click both JSON Import. In the new window, select Cabinet Generator to launch the offline live kitchen layout. In the total wall length, we set 250 centimeters. We set the minimum width to 45 centimeters to avoid small cabinets. Then, in the fixed cabinets, we add a 60 centimeter cabinet, with its central point at 90 centimeters, to serve as the sink cabinet. In this way, we leave a 60 centimeter cabinet for an oven unit on the left side. On the right, we create another 60 centimeter cabinet for the dishwasher. So, in the fixed cabinets area, we add another 60 centimeter cabinet at 150 centimeters. As we have seen, we can change everything with merge and replace. We only click on the sink cabinet, and on the cabinet configuration panel, we set the module type to sink no drainer, and then we hit update and apply the module. Then, on the generated JSON, we click on Copy JSON. On Bulk Cabinet Import, we click Paste and then execute the import. And that's the power of Live Kitchen Preview. It allows us to create fixed cabinets, and it can generate unlimited layouts if the space is large enough. In the floor plan, we drag the new kitchen setup into place, and as we can see, it fits perfectly between the walls. We right-click on the 3D view area, and in the pop-up menu, we select Display on Separate Window so we can have both the 3D view and the Fit-in window on the screen at the same time. Then we select the last two floor cabinets while holding down the Shift key. Finally, we press the Delete key to remove both cabinets. We select the sink cabinet, and on the live kitchen preview we see that the last cabinet width was 70 centimeter. On the Tools menu we select Cabinet Maker. On the General tab, we set the width to 70 centimeters. On the Door and Drawers tab, we set the door type to drawers, and the number of drawers to 3. In the Countertop and Base tab, we set the number of shelves to 0. In the countertop area, we set the left expand value to 60 centimeters, exactly matching the dishwasher width. In the Placement and Alignment tab, we choose Right of Selected and Align Back Edge. We make sure the sink cabinet is selected, and then we click Add Cabinet to Plan. The dishwasher is usually installed under the countertop. It has adjustable legs to reach the correct height, and a baseboard is placed underneath it. Let's simulate this installation. In the Furniture Search input, we start typing dishwasher and drag the dishwasher onto the floor plan. Then, we start typing box and drag the box onto the floor plan. We double-click on the box and set its height to 10 centimeters, exactly matching the height of the other cabinet baseboards. Finally, we select the drawer and, while holding down the Shift key, select the dishwasher and the box. From the Tools menu, we select Fit Objects in Container. Then, we adjust the two windows so that we can see both the settings and the 3D view. As we can see, both the dishwasher and the box are stretched to match the size of the drawer cabinet. In the Container Offsets, we set the right offset to 70 centimeters, which is the width of the drawer cabinet, and we can see that the dishwasher and the box now have a width of 60 centimeters. In the Layout mode, we select Stack Z, and the dishwasher and the box share the height of the cabinet. In the list, we select the box and change its order using the Move Up button, bringing it to the base of the composition. Then, we uncheck resize height so that the box keeps the exact 10 cm height we set. The dishwasher now occupies the remaining height. On the Container Offsets tab, we set top to 4 to bring the dishwasher exactly beneath the countertop. As the face of the dishwasher must match the face of the cabinets, we set front to 2. And as the dock must have the same indent as the cabinet baseboard, we adjust its offset Y to match the indent of the other baseboards. Then we hit Apply and Close. Whether you're stacking objects, creating complex grid layouts, or just aligning furniture perfectly, these are just a few of the things Fitin can do for you. If you want to see more free plugins and tools like this, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!